I don't wanna go.
It was last day, but this is the last morning.
Have a nice trip.
Somebody is excited.
Don't let post-vacation blues ruin your trip. Feeling down after an incredible vacation? Let me share my secret to keeping that travel excitement alive. Hi, I'm Mia, an avid traveler and vlogger, and after a fantastic 6 weeks trip across Europe, I discovered a game-changing tip to avoid those post-vacation blues. Trust me, this one made all the difference for me and my family. Stick around till the end for an extra bonus tip and join our travel community for more awesome advice. On our way back from Europe to New Zealand after 6 amazing weeks, I booked an extra day in Paris for my family. It was the best decision because it didn't feel like our vacation was ending. Sure, we were a bit tired from the long trip, but Paris gave us that final emotional boost. We explored, relaxed, and soaked in the beauty, which made our return home so much easier. Here's why this works so well. First, extend the enjoyment. By adding a day, you give yourself a chance to savor the experience. It helps bridge the gap between vacation and daily routine. I'm ordering pizza.
You wanna make a tea for mommy and daddy?
Okay.
Okay, make a tea. Sophie, you need to put water here, then boil it, put tea, and then water. Let's do it together. Okay.
Ending on a higher note can improve your overall mood. Try this next time you travel and let me know how it goes. What's your favorite way to beat the post-vacation blues? Comment below and share your tips. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and join our amazing travel community. Now, bonus tip. Plan a mini adventure or a local getaway soon after your return. It gives you something to look forward to and keeps the excitement alive. You can also download a free packing list. It's editable and printable. Check the link below in the description. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, stay inspired, and let's beat those post-vacation blues together. So see you in the next video.